Okay, now we're going to play around with the for statement. And you notice I have the percentage calculator up on the Python shell, no problem. Again, this is, I consider, kind of like a scratch board or a scratch pad where we just can put our ideals down, and once we're ready to capture them in a module, then we can kind of clean things up. So again, we're just experimenting with some basic concepts, the basics, again, with Python. So here we go. We're going to go ahead and play around with the for statement. So I'm going to, create a list. And here it is. It's just those numbers that we saw in the slides, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Again, you got to have that colon at the end. Now, when you hit the enter key, notice something cool happens. Instead of having a prompt, it drops down or indents the cursor, and now you can type in your print statement. So here's the magic now. I print I, type in print I, and once I hit the enter key, you have to hit it twice, and voila, now you get the answer. So let's try another list. Let's do this format, and we're going to use strings. Okay, so let's have some fun here. I'm going to put in Mario Brothers, and let's put in what? Whoops. Arduino. Let's see how this for statement really works. Okay, so I got my list of items there, and then I'll hit the colon. It indents for me. I type in print I, hit it once, that is the enter key, and then I'm going to hit the enter key a second time, and there it is. It prints everything that I wanted in that list. Okay, one more example here. Let's use a different variable. In this case, let's use J, and we're going to try a different format. In this case, instead of the braces, we're going to use brackets. So I'm going to try something here. Let's see if we can do a combination of numbers, meaning floating point, integer, and strings, and see if Python can actually handle that type of list. Oops, forgot my comma. So I'm going to put a 1.25 comma, and let's do the number 2. Okay, so let's see, close that out with an end bracket, put my colon, hit the enter key, type in print J, hit it once, the enter key, hit it a second time, and there you see. It actually captures everything that's in the list. So again, very simple statement, but there's a lot of potential behind it, and we'll see that towards the end of this session, where we're going to make a pretty cool calculator solve a basic physics problem. Okay?